Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the 5 pretty reliable ways to prepare your Apple Watch for watchOS 26. watchOS 26 is Apple's latest operating system for Apple Watch, bringing new features, performance improvements, and enhanced health and fitness tools. To ensure a smooth and trouble-free update, preparing your Apple Watch in advance is essential. Without proper preparation, you could encounter installation errors, slow performance, or even data loss. Here are the 5 essential steps to get your Apple Watch ready for watchOS 26. That's it, let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to check your Apple Watch compatibility. Before doing anything else, make sure to confirm that your Apple Watch model supports watchOS 26. Note that not all older models are compatible with the newest operating system. Typically, Apple supports watches released within the last several years, but verifying compatibility prevents wasted time and avoids potential frustration during the update. Note that watchOS 26 supports Apple Watch Series 6 and later. Next up, I will recommend you to update your connected iPhone. Note that your Apple Watch is closely tied to your iPhone, and watchOS updates require the latest iOS version on your paired device. Therefore, make sure your iPhone is running the most recent iOS update before attempting to upgrade your Apple Watch. This ensures all features of watchOS 26 work correctly and reduces the risk of installation errors. Updating your iPhone first also allows seamless syncing of apps, settings, and health data with your Apple Watch. Then I will recommend you to fully back up your Apple Watch. Apple Watch data is automatically backed up to your paired iPhone, but it's always a good idea to verify your backup is up to date. You can back up your iPhone via iCloud or Finder to ensure all your watch data, including app settings, health data, and watch faces, is secure. This precaution guarantees that even if something goes wrong during the update, you won't lose important information. Then I will recommend you to charge your Apple Watch. A fully charged device is critical for any operating system upgrade. Apple recommends having at least 50% battery on your Apple Watch and keeping it connected to its charger during the software update. This prevents interruptions that could cause failed installations or even system errors. Ensuring your Apple Watch is adequately charged also speeds up the whole installation process, letting you enjoy watchOS 26 without delays at all. And finally, I will recommend you to free up enough space on your Apple Watch. Note that operating system updates require sufficient storage space. Therefore, remove unnecessary apps, music, or media from your Apple Watch to create enough room for watchOS 26. You can manage your storage directly from the Watch app on your iPhone. Freeing up space not only allows the update to install smoothly, but also helps maintain overall performance on your Apple Watch after the upgrade. And that's about it. Preparing your Apple Watch for watchOS 26 is all about being proactive. By checking the device compatibility, updating your connected iPhone, backing up your watch, charging it properly, and freeing up storage, you can ensure a seamless update experience. Now that you have unlocked these pretty reliable methods, make the most of them so that your Apple Watch is all set and perfectly ready for the watchOS 26. And I'll catch you up in the next one.